Today's topic functions. First definitions of functions. A relation f from a set A to a set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. In other words, a function f is a relation from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B such that the domain of f is A and no two distinct ordered pairs in f have the same first element. So next definitions, image and free image. If f is a function from A to B and the ordered pair A comma B belongs to f, then f of A equal to B, where B is called the image of A under f and A is called the preimage of B under f. The function f from A to B is denoted by f from A tends to B or A tends to B. Now example, consider a relation f from A to B defined by f equal to set of x comma y such that y equal to x square comma x belongs to my set of minus 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2 and y belongs to w set of whole numbers. Is this relation a function? First write the ordered form. Now first x is equal to solution. If x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to minus 2 square equal to 4. And if x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1 square equal to 1. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 square equal to 0. And x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 square equal to 1. And x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2 square equal to 4. So f equal to the ordered pair minus 2 comma 4 minus 1 comma 1 0 comma 0 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 4. Now since no two distinct ordered pairs of A of f have same first element. Suppose this is right in the arrow form. Here f A B. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Here the elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to etc. Here minus 1, 2, 4 and plus 2 also 4. Minus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 and 0 to 0. So every element in the set A has a image in the set B. Next conditions, every element in the set A has the pre-image. No two element minus 2 has only one pre-image 4. 2 also has only one pre-image. So every element in the set A has a unique image in the set B. Suppose 2 having two images, 2 having the image 4 and 6 means it is not a function. So now every element in the set A has a unique image in the set B. Second conditions, all the elements of the set A has a image in the set B. So these two conditions are necessary conditions. Therefore, f is a function. The given relation be a function. Next example, consider a relation f from A to B defined by f is equal to a comma 1, a comma 2, b comma 3, b c comma 5, a, d comma 5. Is this relation a function? First, write here the element A has two images. First one image 1 and another one image is 2. Here the element, the first element of the ordered pair A have two images 1 and 2. Therefore, it is not a function. Otherwise, check in the arrow diagram. Here A, B, F, A, B, C, D. Here 1, 2, 3. This is 4, 5. Now A to 1 and also A to B, B to 3, C to 4, D to 5. Here A has two distinct images in the set B, so it is not a function. Now the exercise number 2.3, first problem. Which of the following relations are functions? Give reasons. If it is a function, determine its domain and range. First problem. Solution. Here the ordered pairs 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1, 17, 1. Here all values of the first element in the ordered pairs are distinct. First elements are distinct 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. First elements are distinct, but say second elements are same. That is not a matter. Compulsory necessary condition, first three elements are distinct. Here 2, 5, 8. Suppose here 2, here also 2 will come means it is not a functions. Distinct. This is the first condition. Second one, each pre-image. Here pre-images 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 are pre-images. 2 is the pre-image of 1, 5 is the pre-image of 1, 8 is the pre-image of 1, 6, etc. So each pre-image has a unique image. In the codomain or unique image. Therefore, the given relation is a function. Next, domain. Domain means the first element of the ordered pair 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, and range is the second element of the ordered pair. Here second element of the ordered pair, all the ordered pair have the same second element, so 1 only. So range is equal to the singleton set to 1. Next problem, second one, same as in second one. Here first elements are distinct, so it is a functions, and the domain 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and the range 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Third sum, the ordered for 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. Here the first value 1, the first value 1 of the ordered pair have the two distinct image. One of the ordered pair is associated to two elements 3 and 5. Therefore, it is not a function, not a functions. The first two elements, here first elements must be distinct. Now two ordered pair have the same first element, so it is not a function. The second one homework.